So in today's video, I'm going to be transforming my 2016 AMG interior into a 2025 AMG interior with the crazy ambient lighting. So we're in my kitchen right now, but we're not doing a cooking video. Big ass box that you guys see, it's the ambient lighting kit for my Mercedes. And let me just tell you guys, the ambient lighting for the Mercedes is way more complex than a lot of other cars, but the good thing is it's plug and play. So let me go ahead and unbox this for you guys. It's literally a box full of a bunch of boxes. 3, 4, and 7. So we have 7 boxes for this ambient lighting kit. Look how much stuff we got here, you guys, just for ambient, but it's gonna look super OEM, and you don't have to splice any single wires. So let me go ahead and go through it right now. These are the vents for the front. Everything here is lit up, plug and play. This is the dashboard trim. These are the Burmester speaker covers that are illuminated. These are actually cool. These are tweeters. My car doesn't have tweeters right now, but these will spin out, and it's an actual real tweeter, so it'll add some more sound. These are the rear AC vents. And then this box that's full of a whole bunch of stuff is basically to make all the factory ambient lighting pieces 64 color. As you guys can see, it has a whole bunch of modules and shit. I don't even know what's going on over here. And then the last box that we have, the one that I'm not going to be using, is for the seat back ambient lighting. And this would work if my C63 had the base seats in them, but thankfully my car has bucket seats, so I won't be able to have lights on the back of the buckets, but bucket seats are way better. So yeah, you guys, if you guys are interested in this kit, I'll have it linked in the description for you guys. Side note, I just want to let you know all these kits are made to order, so don't expect them to be shipped like Amazon time. It takes like 2 to 3 weeks for the kits to be produced and shipped to you. But yeah, if you guys want to buy one of these kits and support the channel, link in this description for you guys. So before we get the ambient installed tomorrow, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a before and after. So that's what the door panel looks like right now. As you guys can see, there's a little bit on the center console and on the other door, but the factory ambient only has 3 colors. It's this blue color, a white, and an orange, and the white and orange aren't that noticeable, so I've been leaving it on the blue. And this is the ambient in the back seat, or like the rear view that you get. So it's just a strip on the door right in the middle, and that's it, and that's all OEM as well. So tomorrow I'm gonna show you guys what the new one looks like, but it should be a crazy transformation compared to this.
Whoa, she dropped the bands off after me. I got the bands off.
And I forgot to tell you guys, we're also swapping out the screen. I'm gonna include it in this video, but I will also be making a separate video on the screen by itself. So yeah, we're gonna be getting CarPlay, YouTube, Netflix, all of that, and it's gonna be a little bit bigger. What's good, you guys? So right now I'm on the way to my boy's shop. We're gonna get the ambient lighting installed in this car, as well as the upgraded screen. So yeah, stay tuned for this one. Shit's about to be looking crazy. All black looks so good, bro. Ah, shit hitting. So we made it to my boy's shop. Let me show you guys what we got going down.
Because some Mercedes have it here.
Oh yeah? Maybe the newer ones.
I promise you, when everything's cleaned up, I'll start doing YouTube videos.
Stop the cap.
It's gonna be fucking crazy. Right now the ambient is carrying, the stars is carrying my interior.
Just that, this clip is the hardest clip there.
Yeah.
These are like strong.
I already opened everything.
I'm just making sure because the vents I do.
Yeah. Those we might not use. I think that's for the seat packs, yeah. Let me bring you the other stuff.
They copy the Mercedes boxes and everything. This is what they give you at the dinner.
That one might be the vent. The main one, yeah.
These are the ones that go in the center dash. Yours don't have in the center dash?
It has it, but I think this one makes it 64 color. This, like this piece, right? What are you talking about here?
No, this because it already has. So
Thank God I didn't try and DIY this, bro. This shit look crazy. Look at all those wires. So he had to repin a bunch of stuff here, and then connect the new harness here, and then it's gonna snake into the cabin through here. So basically the brain of the Ambient kit is on the driver door. Yeah, fuck that, I would never do this. So we got the Ambient working. This dude is a genius, bro. Genius. And look at the tweeter, it just spun out. And it has an app for it, that's why I was showing you guys my phone, but yeah. Shit is nuts. All this shit comes in Chinese, so if you guys want to translate it, you gotta get the Google Translate app.
Your phone ringing. Your phone ringing.
Damn, this is so much brighter. How the first door came out, you guys. This shit looks crazy. I'm gonna show you guys the other door now so you can get a before and after. But that's the tweeter, the speaker, and then the Ambient right there. 10 out of 10 mod. And that's what the door panel looks like before, you guys. Top down view on the AMG ski. So now we're moving on to the screen install as well as the Ambient in the middle. And also when you guys do the center console, you do the rear vents at the same time. So working our way backwards. Got the screen out. This shit looks like a mission, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But now we got the new trim going in with the ambient lighting, and I guess now's a good time to do it because the screen's up out of the way. So we're finally removing the ugly fake carbon off the trunk of the C63. My boy John helping me out right now.
Yes, sir. The Chinatown carbon though.
Yeah, that shit is not it.
It's gonna come out clean though.
Oh, look at that.
No glue, nothing. A little bit. Smooth though.
Yeah, they must have just wrapped it before I got it.
It's good material. It's like a 3M kind of.
Yeah.
Likes that OEM plus.
Yeah.
Silver.
Go with the plate frame and the tip.
Why is everything chrome?
Everything is chrome in the future.
Oh, sick. I don't even need to buy a new one. Damn, that shit looks so much better.
Yeah.
Got the screen up in there. We're about to test the audio, see if it's working right now. Testing the audio right now. We're just connecting this back before we tuck up everything. So make sure the audio off the screen is working. I'm sorry for this Chinese ass song, but we got the audio working, you guys. Figured out the hardest part. So make sure you guys connect the aux cable. I think that AMG in the dash might be my favorite part. Look at how much work this is. I'm so happy I waited for the screen though, because look at all the stuff that had to come out. So it just made sense to do the screen at the same time and wait. Damn, the interior looks so different now. We just have this one last vent to do in the front and the footwells, and it's almost done. But look how this shit's coming out, you guys. And then the last thing that we have to do is the back doors and these two vents in the middle, and this interior is good to go. So we're back in the car. I just left my boy's shop. Big shout out to YD Customs. He actually just got a new shop, a way bigger location. The parking is way better. So yeah, if you guys want this done and you're in South Florida, hit up my boy on IG. His shop is called YD Customs. Damn, you guys. Look at how crazy this looks. I'm gonna get some better B-roll for you guys. I just got a YouTube video on because I'm about to drive home. But yeah, stay tuned. So it is a few days later, and I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit more about the Ambient kit, but I wanted to experience it a little bit more myself before I jump in and give you guys a full review. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is the startup animation for the tweeters. It's probably my favorite part about the kit. So look what happens when I start it. The tweeter goes ahead and does that spin out animation. That's sick as fuck. So I wanted to show you guys a little bit about the app control. This is the app. I got it on this big ass tablet for you guys right now, but I guess it is what it is. So look, if you click turn off, it turns off. If you click turn on, it turns on. And then there's like a bunch of different modes, so you could put it like on burst flash. I don't know why you would do that, but there's like a bunch of different modes that you could do that are in here. So I guess like if you wanted to go like the music or something, you could do that, but I just like leaving it on single color. And then the beauty of this kit is it has a whole bunch of different like preset colors, or you could just spin the color wheel. And look, I'll show you guys in real time. As I spin the color wheel, the vents like change colors, and it's like super noticeable. So we got yellow, we got green, and then let's say you guys find like a random color on the wheel you like. So we'll just do it with this purple, for example. You could click add color, and then at the bottom you guys see it adds the color. So one thing I just figured out for you guys is, if you guys see, there's like two tone, there's two different colors. So if you guys see, there's a zone 1 and a zone 2. So look, I can make it green and yellow, I can make it red and yellow, I can make it blue and yellow. So, and then if I switch to zone 1, I can make it red and blue and do a whole bunch of crazy shit. So this kit is legit. And then another thing that I forgot to show you guys is you could do lower the brightness. So look, that I put it too low, but look, as I increase the slider, the brightness increases and it's like noticeable. So that's another sick feature with this kit.
All on me, there ain't no deal, dog. You could offer me.
To me, in my opinion, this is better than the OEM control ones that you have to keep spinning and spinning and spinning the wheel, and like you won't be able to, I guess, pick an exact color that you want on the color wheel. You have to like spin and guess and spin and guess and spin and guess. So with this kit, you have complete control with the app, which is what I like about it. So yeah, that wraps up the app portion of it. I showed you guys the startup animation. I think that's gonna wrap up this video. Honestly, I've pretty much showed you guys the entire kit. I'm just gonna take some B-roll of some like different colors and stuff for you guys. But if you guys like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And once again, the link to the kit will be in the description below. Catch you guys on the next one. I'm out. Peace.
She dropped the bands off to me, 100